Mallory gets the hiccups often.
This is what it looks like. Come on, make a funny noise, babe. Oh. Honey, hold your head still. Oh.
Is it time for some grape water, honey?
Ooh. I got it.
Aww. They're no fun.
She's hungry still.